Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
One fork at a time. Descend.
Integration river. Nothing here stands still.
Coordinator. The integration river. 5 kinds of motion. Learn the verbs. Pick the wrong verb and the system stalls.
One command, one worker, a backlog to drain.
SQS. A queue. One consumer per message.
One event, tell everyone, broadcast the same.
SNS. Fan out. Push to many.
Route by what is inside. Content, not name.
EventBridge. Rules on the payload.
Many steps, remember where you are. Retain.
Step functions. State machine. It remembers.
Ordered records, replay the same lane.
Kinesis. A stream. Rewind it again.
Queue. Fan out. Route. Remember. Stream.
SQS is already right. Which queue?
Durable decoupling. Order can slip.
SQS Standard. At least once. Huge throughput.
Strict order, exactly once, no slip.
SQS FIFO. Message group. Order.
The queue is right. Now turn the correct knob.
The same message keeps coming back.
Visibility timeout is too short. Raise it.
One bad message poisons the loop.
Dead letter queue. Set max receive count.
Empty polls are burning money.
Long polling. Wait for the message.
The payload is bigger than the limit.
Payload in S3. Pointer in the message.
One event, many subscribers. Send.
SNS. One publish. Many endpoints.
Each subscriber needs its own durable backlog.
SNS into multiple SQS queues. That is fan out.
The subscriber only wants some of it.
SNS filter policies. Filter at the topic.
4 answers. All of them move a message. SQS holds work for one worker. SNS tells many at once. EventBridge reads inside the event and routes. Kinesis keeps order and lets you replay. The stem says, every service must get it. SQS alone dies. The stem says, replay the last day. SNS dies. It stores nothing. The stem says, route on the body. Plain SNS dies. The stem says, strict order per customer. Standard dies.
One verb. One survivor. EventBridge is right. Name the piece.
Events arriving from a SaaS vendor.
Partner event bus. They publish. You rule.
The consumer was broken. Send it again.
Archive and replay. Nothing was lost.
Run it on a cron. Every night at 2.
EventBridge Scheduler. One schedule, any target.
Step functions is right. Standard or express.
Human approval. It runs for a year.
Standard. Long running. Exactly once.
100,000 short runs an hour.
Express. High volume, cheap, and fast.
The stream is right. Name the part.
Ordered. Mini consumers. Replay the tape.
Kinesis data streams. Shards. Retention.
One shard is melting. The rest asleep.
Partition key problem. Spread the key.
Each consumer needs its own throughput.
Enhanced fan out. A dedicated pipe each.
Just landed in S3 or Redshift. No code.
Firehose. Buffer. Deliver. Done.
The team already writes Kafka code.
MSK. Managed Kafka. Same API.
The front door is right. Name the API.
API keys. Quotas. Usage plans. Cache.
REST API. Every feature costs more.
Cheap proxy. Low latency. No frills.
HTTP API. Lean. Faster. Less.
Two-way. The server pushes back.
WebSocket API. The socket stays open.
The backend takes minutes. Client waiting.
API gateway into SQS or step functions. Return now.
2 front doors. Both take HTTP. The stem says API keys, throttling, users plans.
API gateway. API management.
The stem says target groups and health checks.
ALB. Layer 7 routing.
One event. 3 teams. Each needs a backlog. Chaining.
SNS. Then 3 SQS queues. 1 each.
The queue keeps redelivering. 2 fixes. Name them.
Visibility timeout and a dead letter queue. EventBridge. Now say my queues.
Route on the content of the event. SaaS partner sources. Archive and replay. Schedules and cron.
All 4. That is the router.
Delete the dead letter queue. What fails?
The poison message loops forever. It blocks the workers.
FIFO is on. Throughput collapsed. Why?
One message group. Everything is in a single lane.
The Kinesis consumer falls behind. 1 shard is hot.
The partition key has no spread. Change the key, not the shards.
The river carried it. Now go store it.
Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
Coordinate is done. 10 regions on the ring.
Next region, next fork, go!